Okay, doing a quick review on Save-A-Lot's Coburn Farms Mexican style taco cheese. It has it's finely shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses in this bag. 12 ounce, so it's a little shy of a pound. It's a 12 ounce bag, so it's just a little bit shy of a pound. Bag is, you get 3 total cups per bag of it. 12 servings per container. Serving size is 1/4 of a cup. Calories 110. Total fats 8. Saturated fats 5. 25 cholesterol. 190 sodium. Total carbohydrates 6 grams of protein, 0.2 vitamin D, 193 calcium, 0.2 iron, and 25 of potassium. I buy this all the time at Save-A-Lot. I usually been in both taco dishes and other dishes when they add some cheese to it. I mean, it's pretty good little cheese. It's made with fresh milk from American dairy farmers. It's got, like I said, it's pretty nice. It's got a nice little combination of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese in it, and it's pretty good. Put on, like I said, on tacos and other recipes that you want to use both Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese in. And we use tacos here, but tacos is something we cook every once in a while here at the house for us and the kids to eat it for dinner. Kids like it, and both me and the roommates like it also. So it's pretty good little cheese that you can find at Save-A-Lot stores. This is a Save-A-Lot Coburn Farms Mexican style taco cheese. I can't think of what it costs right offhand. But you can find it in dairy section of your Save-A-Lot if you've got one near you. We've got Save-A-Lot close here at the house, so we do a lot of grocery shopping there, but it's pretty convenient.